Hi everyone, my name is Risha. Today is the 10th of March 2024 and I'm going to be going over my weekly option chain analysis for SPX for the upcoming expiry on the 15th. Here we can see that the CE level is the same, but the PE level has gone up, which is obviously positive. Quantity is higher for CE, which is negative. The change is positive for PE, which is a positive overall. Short squeeze is higher for CE, which is a positive. PCR is still oversold, that's another positive. Implied volatility and historical volatility have both gone up, which is negative. RSI has gone down, which is negative. No divergence from the RSI, which is positive. There is a volume divergence, which is negative. ADX has gone up, which is positive. ATR has gone up, which is negative. EMAs both went up, which are positive. VWAP went up, and so did the Fibonacci, which is positive. However, the candlestick is a high wave, which is a neutral signal. But overall, the support is now 5100, which has gone up from 5009 last week. Resistance is 5100, same as last week. And overall, I say the prediction is that SPX goes up. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.